Welcome to Cardio Fitness After 40.
Starting a cardio routine in your 40s or beyond is a smart, healthy choice. Regular cardio helps maintain heart health, manage weight, and boost energy levels. For men over 40, workouts should be safe, effective, and tailored to fit changing bodies. Let's explore how to get started with beginner-friendly options that prioritize safety and long-term success.
The benefits of cardio for men over 40.
Cardio exercise supports more than just weight loss. It improves heart health, reduces the risk of chronic disease, and sharpens mental focus. For men over 40, cardio can also help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and support joint health, as long as you choose low-impact activities and progress gradually.
Low-impact cardio options.
Walking, cycling, and swimming are excellent choices for beginners. These low-impact activities are gentle on the joints, yet effective for burning calories and building endurance. Start with 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week, and aim for a pace that lets you hold a conversation while moving.
Sample beginner cardio routine.
Begin your workout with a 5-minute warm-up of gentle walking or stretching. Try a brisk walk or cycle for 20 minutes, maintaining a steady pace. Finish with a 5-minute cool down and stretching to reduce muscle soreness. Gradually increase your workout time or intensity each week as you get comfortable.
Staying motivated and safe.
Listen to your body and set realistic goals. Hydrate well. Wear comfortable shoes and avoid overdoing it, especially when starting out. Tracking your progress and varying routines can keep things interesting. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have health concerns.